Hello, this is Doc Danny. Yeah. I'm visiting a friend's goat farm here in Woodstock, Illinois. Hope you'll enjoy this video. Thank you very much for watching my video. Bye-bye. Yeah, this is the tiger bird.
You guys want to see the bunnies?
So, look at that. He has a buckling and a doeling. So huge.
He's got bunnies in here.
This is another one. It's still on her way to deliver. Ooh, they get some pigs in here. Chicken. Yeah. And then look at the goose that bites me. Yep. And then there's another. Tiger birds. Yeah, with two kids. All doelings. We're so happy to visit this farm of our friend here in McHenry.
Around his face, but as he's matured, he's lost it. He used to have one around his butt too, but he doesn't anymore.
Oh, that is so huge.
Yeah.
My goodness, that's Kate, the owner of this farm.
Move out of the way.
Yeah, it's okay, it's okay.
So you
Alan.
can take a picture.
No, that's fine. That is so huge. Is that a Mita rabbit?
He's a Flemish cross, so giant Flemish, and this is his mom, but she's terrible.
Wow.
She's very mean. So, but that is his mom. His dad died. He used to actually run the farm, in the whole barn, but he startled and gave himself a heart attack and died. So I'm like, I'm not doing that again because it was terrible.
They are so cute. This is my first time to see in actual this kind of rabbits. Look at that. Is that a male and a female?
It is. He's fixed, so they don't make babies. But she's a
okay.
female and he's a male. And then this is a boy, female, and then our guinea pig is over here.
We're so lucky to visit your farm.
Well, I'm so glad that you.
That's a quail?
Yes, it is a quail.
I didn't know they made that noise.
Yes, it's terrible, disgusting noise that they do all the time, and it's very startling.
It is. I didn't know what it was.
Hey, you put them outside.
Yeah, he actually is just going to be released, but the brown one's a rooster, and then the black one is a hen.
Okay.
And I have a whole bunch of their eggs that I'm going to incubate to make a bunch of babies. Is their mating call. So when I had his female died of being egg bound about a month ago. But he didn't make that noise when she was gone, but when I had two males, then she made that noise. Or he made that noise to try to.
So Kate's got cameras set up all around inside
Oh.
the barn.
So you can see that up in that light that's the camera, so I can see them from the house. And then I have them in the back of the barn and in where the other mom is.
So
the
it's
other
in
mom.
your phone? You can see it in your phone? Oh my goodness.
You can see it.
Very smart, huh?
You can see it at our
That's new this
Linda.
year.
Hey, you were telling me that.
It's awesome.
Yeah, that's the camera over there.
Yeah.
So we're being recorded here. We cannot sneak out.
No recording. This is the sister of the one that's in there. Her babies are in this pack. So this is Wilma. She is also due shortly. She is so big and dropped a while ago, so I thought that she was going to be before that one, but she's not, pushing or anything. She just is humongous. And she is very upset because she wants her babies. Her and the other big
She's
one.
getting jealous, huh?
Yeah, well, she's real full.
Wow,
See how
look
big-
at that.
It's so hard, big and hard.
How many liters?
She'll probably give
3 liters or
I
more?
haven't actually done a full milking in her yet, but she should give me about a quart.
Your friends are
Yeah.
Well, here's my girls.
So this is Libby and Layla. These
Oh,
little
look at
girls
this.
are my
last
petting zoo.
year, I
Oh.
Yeah, they're here. Yeah.
Oh, they're so woolly.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
they're my petting zoo girls.
I love these.
And then
Yeah.
Mom's butt is Gracie. She is
Oh,
not
you're
petting
smelling
zoo.
Danny, huh?
She was part of the petting zoo. And this is her sister Rose.
Oh.
These guys were born 2 years ago, and I did not breed them because I did not need their milk this year. But they will be bred
Look
and
how
have babies
long
next
this
year.
fur is.
Mm-hmm.
So these are Harriet's daughters.
Mm.
This is Felicia. She had babies the same
Oh.
weekend as
Nice
Gertie.
names, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, they're all coming in.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, they think I'm gonna feed them in here.
Oh, that's why.
Yeah, they think they're gonna get fed in here, but I feed them out in the
Yeah,
front.
not yet. Not time for dinner. It's too early.
Yeah. So and see how full her milk is too.
Oh,
They're
yeah.
like,
Oh, yeah.
I'm busting at the seams. So I will leave them in here, shoo these guys out, and then they go in there to get milked, and then they can go see their babies for the rest of the night. But yeah, today was their first real day of not having their babies, and they are not happy about it.
No.
They're like, my boobs hurt.
I can remember that.
Yeah. And then back here, you know what? Actually, I don't know if that we're gonna be able to show you that here. Maybe look for the hole.
You are.
The goats will all stampede trying to get in here. Parlor. So we put the goats come in. Those two big girls will come in here. We feed them in here. Hook them up on that machine. If you want to peek through here, you can see. Oh, I guess they're not going to stampede because they closed the door.
This is the
The milking machine.
that her husband built.
Yep. Oh, hello there.
Okay. Okay, well, you have to call your brother. Oh, he's probably in the bathroom. So, where are you at? Okay, when I'm almost done outside. And I'll go in. Actually, send him a text because that. Okay? All right. Love ya. So this is the boy head. He is a 2-year-old buck, and then he is a 6-year-old buck.
Is this a bower?
This is Bower. These two are both Bowers.
Oh, okay.
And then he's a Todd. But, so I don't train my boys. So they're small compared to everybody else's boys. So I prefer them to be a smaller animal because it's not so hard on the females.
easily for them to make.
Yep. So while they're not regal looking, they're very healthy and they're small. But they are 90% hay and very small. They only get a couple.
So you feed them just a little grains.
Just a little grain because most people have more problems with uric calcii, which is
Yeah.
like a stones, you know.
Yeah,
Yep.
calculi.
Right. So
Urinary
it's no
calculi.
different for people, right?
Yeah.
So with the boys, we just don't give them a lot, and then they don't have that problem. And like I said, I don't want them big, but obviously you can tell they're pretty fat. So, but it's just from hay. So he's the dad of the white goats that are the babies that we saw in the back of the barn. And then he's the dad of everybody else.
Oh my goodness.
He's our big one. He
is
good
the
at
king,
his-
huh?
Yeah, he is pretty much the king. And then Buddy, I don't know if he'll have any babies this year because I did not breed him on purpose. I didn't want any dairy goats, but when we leave them together, so that if he didn't get the job done, the other one will.
That's the advantage if you have two bucks, yeah.
Yeah, and sometimes the girls are picky. They don't like it. It's funny because they will be like, "Forget you," and they'll go stand by the
They know how to choose, eh?
They do. It's
Oh,
weird.
my
I just
goodness.
thought it was like a male female who cares kind of thing, but no, they actually can be pretty picky.
I just like your farm.
Thank you. This is my husband's greenhouse. We haven't grown anything. We just finished building it in October, so it is going to be an hydroponic system as
Okay.
well as dirt. Mostly hydroponics, that's what the piping is.
Uh-huh.
So he will actually pipe in pond water into his into his
that will be the
hydroponics.
water of the
Yep,
hydroponics.
and fertilize it. Yeah, I saw a thing about how good the nut cup is for the
Yeah.
plants.
So it's a cycle. You're just so beautiful.
Thank you. So Moses was born on our farm. His mom I had sold, but he was our first baby born on this farm. So of course I couldn't get rid of him. I didn't realize he was going to be so little and squatty to be our sire, but I really don't care. He makes babies, you know.
Yeah, as long as they produce babies, we have to keep it. Yeah.
That's it. Yeah.
That's what we
And
need.
he's
Yeah.
good at it. He had a kind of a rough start. I had originally sold him to somebody else, and she returned him almost dead, and because she didn't know what she was doing, and which was
that's the
fun-
problem.
Yeah,
If they don't
which is
know.
funny because she's a goat farmer, but she just lets her
Oh.
animals die over learning how to take care of them.
Oh my goodness.
So she brings them back to me, and I had to.
She's had that hit
Yeah. So he lived inside in my living room for 2 months.
Wow.
And then once he could stand on his own, it was like, oh, now you got to get up because you stink. He was a baby at the time, you know, but still, he still stinks. He's a goat, you know. All over their faces and legs. Yeah.
I'll bring you to the Philippines. Huh? Be careful.
Yeah. And then I went to another friend who just wanted to breed, and she's like, yeah, he nailed him. Yeah.
So I drove past the beef farm on the Blair and I saw a spotted one.
Yeah, that's his brother or dad or the other.
Okay, because I saw her like, oh wait, I didn't know that she
No, that's where she came from.
These are the picas. Hello, how are you? Oh, they like me. Look at that. This is Gates Farm here in Woodstock, Illinois. I came here just to see these different goats, tugger birds, and owl. Some goose, some birds inside, pigs.
Get him in here pretty easily, so.
Wow, look at that.
So I used to do all this by hand, but once I got 5 of them, that was not happening anymore. This one's not as good on the stand, so I have to hold it.
Or they make cheese with it.
How many minutes, Kate, will it take to milk? 1
Oh,
minute?
about 2, yeah, 2 minutes.
So she puts feed in their bowl, up there, the pink bowl, and then their heads are in there, so they can't get out, move around. So the whole time that she's milking, they're eating, yeah. So then they come through this door here, and get up, they climb right up the stairs, and then when they're done, she opens the little door there, and they go in.
So they're busy eating, huh? While
Yep. And the second that that green's gone, you'll know because they kick off the
okay.
yeah. So I won't milk them completely out because they have because of their babies. She's done with her food.
So they can also give milk for their babies.
Yeah. This is some, but I do need some of it, so give me a little.
Oh, that's it. They will kick when they're already done.
Yep, they're already done. So, because I didn't drain them either, the babies can have it. And now I can, excuse me. Excuse me for one more second. Let me just go grab a broken. Oh, that's right, I forgot. You know, where Linda decided to rearrange my.
Milk.
Oh, Gertie.
That's an iodine?
Iodine, yep. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that will prevent mastitis.
Yep. It's also because the she's got a little cut on her teeth from the suction of the machine and from her baby's teeth.
Yeah.
Come on.
Wow, look at that. Thank you for giving us milk.
Come on.
Very
Go get your
nutritious
babies.
milk.
And now I'll let the babies have them now.
label on it that says not for human
Come on.
consumption. So when she sells it, it's up to the people what they're gonna do with it. They just go right up there.
Yeah.
Come on, you two.
Here they come.
Here it comes. See?
They just go right up.
Wow, look at that. Ooh,
Let's go.
so huge.
And then the other girls in the other side of the barn, they'll be fed. I'll bring it in there for them. So these three are due not until April. This is the mom of the two that are brown and white, the one that's in here and the one that we just milked. And then this is the mom of those two shaggy brown haired ones.
Oh,
Long haired ones, Harriet.
I can't keep it. It was a little easier when we were here. But her goats have changed so much in that she has the dairy goats mostly and not the boars, the meat goats, the brown and white.
We used to, just only have the meat goats because I didn't know anything about goats, and you don't have to do anything with meat goats other than feed them and sell them, import them. But they're not an everyday activity. But when we got into the dairy goats, it's like it is a lot more. It's a lot more everything. It's a lot more work. It's a lot more money, but you get a lot more money. So and it's worth it.
Yeah, you get money every day. That's the beauty in there.
And we consume it.
Yeah, no need to go to the grocery to buy milk.
Right.
You can produce it here, fresh.
Yeah,
And that's it.
We cook with it. It makes the creamiest chocolate pie. Seriously.
And ice cream too.
Oh, well,
Yeah, we've made sherbet.
We have.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Anything that you can make with cow's milk, you can
Yeah.
make with goat's milk.
Look
This
at
is a
that.
skur. So if you have somebody dehorning your animals, and they don't do it right, you grow those.
Wow.
Seems to me that when I worked in Buffalo Grove, there was a restaurant that was a Mexican restaurant, and I think they used to have goat milk. They had,
They probably
Oh, no, you
had
know what?
food made out of goat if it wasn't around
no,
here.
it wasn't goat. It was like, it might have been rice milk or something. It was,
Rice milk and they advertise it? I don't know.
Oh, so you don't milk them?
No, they're all pregnant.
Oh,
I only
Ah,
have two
okay.
that I milk.
oh, so you just brought them in to feed them.
Because I checked their udders to see if they're getting closer. That's how I found the one that was going to have babies. She was not, my due date was 3 weeks from now. So all of a sudden she gets on the stand and she had like the stuff, you know, the slime that shows that her amniotic sac is broke. So I'm like, oh, you have goo. We need to get you in there. So I like dragged her, you know, which when a goat doesn't want to go anywhere, stubborn goat is for real. They put the brakes on and then it's like, oh. But I got her in there and she had them like very, very quickly after that.
Wow.
Her bag came out and then we saw the mess and she was the one that was really hard to give birth.
oh, okay.
I found her on the stand like that. I'm like, oh, well, we should probably get you in the other stand. So we did.
In the labor room.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes. That's